Hello guys, this is Nirmal. Today I am going to explain you about what is Ardublock. Ardublock is a graphical tool used for programming Arduino IDE. So let us start with the setup. I am just opening my Chrome. I have opened the Ardublock GitHub download in the Google, and the first link is showing that Ardublock let go ng Ardublock old Ardublock version for let go ng. So I am just clicking on it. Yeah, you can see that there's a jar, source, and relevant files. These are all the files that you have to be downloaded, and I'm just going to click here and download zip. I'm just going to select. Yeah, the download is starting, but here already downloaded the file, so I'm just going to cancel it. Yeah, here is the file that we go. You have to unzip this. I'm just going to unzip extracting here. Yeah, it has been extracted. I'm just going to open it. There's a folder called jar, and you can see that Ardublock all. This is the jar file, so you have to copy this file. I'm just going to copy this file, and I'm going to open my Arduino IDE. And I'm going to select a file, references. You can see that the sketchbook location. So I'm just going to the directory. Documents. Yeah, it may be usable for you. Documents, Arduino. Yeah, this was the directory, and I'm going to select tools. I have already created this folder. If it is not available in your PC, just create this folder and create this Ardublock tool. And here for Ardublock, A, B and T are capital letters. Make sure that it is right as I have created this folder, and just open the folder and tool. Again you have to create the folder called tool, and you have to paste this folder here, paste this file here. I have already done this process, and I'm just going to close the folder. Yeah, now I have opened the Arduino IDE. Before, yeah, first of all we have to save the file, so I'm going to save the file as project in desktop. File has been saved, and I'm just going to open what you're going to see today about Ardublock. And this is the theory lecture, and you are going to see about this 7 tabs: control, output, variables or constants, input, mathematical operators, and communication. Sorry, 6 tabs. So let us go on it. I'm just going to open tools. Yeah, you can see that Ardublock is available here, but after doing this setup process, Ardublock will be visible here. Until that, it won't be available here. So I'm just going to click here. Yeah, I have opened my Ardublock. You can see that in the loop is in the beginning itself, it's available here. I'm just going to throw it away. Here is called controls, lot of controls, outputs, inputs, logical operators which you can compare, mathematical operators which you can perform mathematical operations, scientific operations, etc., and variables and constants, and communication. You can communicate with a serial monitor. These are all the things which you may available as instruments. Bluetooth model and right. Yeah, let's go ahead on it. Let us start with these controls. You can see that here there is a control, and void setup and loop. Here is the program, setup and loop. So guys, using this block you can specify within this setup, and also can use these loop functions also. So I'm just going to enter something here. So before that I'm just going to upload the file. Guys, once you have clicked upload Arduino, file will be uploaded to this Arduino IDE and it will be automatically updated. So guys, it's showing this error that problem uploading to the board. So I haven't connected to my board. I'm just going to explain you the theoretical part alone in this lecture. So let's go and run it. Yeah, the code has been uploaded. Okay, there is a simple function of void setup and void loop, and here is a function I have mentioned here that as a void loop, the second thing. So I'm just going to click on controls, and here is a loop. So guys, I'm just going to throw it away, and I just place here, and I'm going to upload to my Arduino. It's compiling. Yeah, you can see that the code is void setup and void loop, same code that we have seen before. So guys, you have understood that anything entered into this loop function will be uploaded to the, and in the setup function will be uploaded to the setup function. So I'm just going to specify a pin. Before that I'm going to specify a delay of milliseconds, which will be available under controls. I'm just going to, yeah, it's here. I'm just going to place this into loop with 100 milliseconds. 100 milliseconds, which will be equal to 1 second. So I'm just going to upload it. So guys, you can see that there is a delay available in your looping function. I'm just heading back to my Ardublock, and I'm just going to place this in my setup. So next I'm just going to upload it. So you guys, you can see that the delay will be has been available in void setup. Any function declared under wrote under setup, which will be available under setup function, and any code which has been placed under looping statement, which will be available under loop function. So I'm just going to throw it away, and let us check with this simple loop function. I'm just going to place throw a delay to it, a delay of milliseconds. I'm just going to upload it. So you guys can see that the setup function is still available, so that it will be parallelly coded there. So of all you have seen that about milliseconds, let us head with the microseconds. So, yeah, it's a microsecond delay. I'm just going to upload it. Yeah, a delay of microseconds with 1000 microsecond has been added to my code. Yeah, we have shown so far we have shown about delay of microseconds, and I'm just going to head to this output, the digital write. So guys, you have known that a digital write function is will be useful to make the pin. For example, we just take pin number 13. The digital write function is useful to make the pin on generate a 5 volt power supply. So I'm just going to hit with the set digital pin. I'm just going to place it here. I have to specify the pin number. I'm just going to specify 13. And here you have to specify whether it is a high or low. So I just left it as high, and I'm just going to upload it to the ID. So guys, you can see that this pin mode has been parallelly coded with this setup function whenever we create a digital write in the looping function.